Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing in as the account that controls family settings. This is important because only that profile can change restrictions. Once signed in, go straight to Settings, then Parental Controls/Family Management. Enter the 4-digit parental passcode when prompted. If you don't have it, pause and recover credentials first. You do this now so the console accepts edits. Make sure you choose the correct user on the login screen, because changing a sub-account won't update the master account's rules. Once inside Family Management, select the specific child or sub-account you want to modify. You'll see options for games/apps, online features, communication, and monthly spending. Edit each separately because they operate independently. Change the age level or toggle online play and messaging off or on, then adjust Ps4 purchase permissions to allow or require a password. Confirm each choice. The Ps4 saves settings per account. You do this so restrictions match the maturity and safety level you intend, not default presets. To finish, set the account's controls to no restrictions or remove it from Family Management. Confirm and exit settings. You should sign out and restart the Ps4, then log into the child account to verify access to games, online play, and the store. If something still blocks access, double-check each category, especially spending limits. If you forgot the 4-digit PIN, try account recovery from the primary account. As a last resort, you may need console initialization, which erases data, so back up before that step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.